Alright, so you're thinking about the Vevor Inflatable tent. Is it a hidden gem for camping newbies, or just another overhyped Amazon deal? Let's get real. First off, Vevor isn't a scam, it's a legit global brand. But here's the deal. Their inflatable tents are definitely on the entry-level side of things. If you're dreaming of an insta-perfect glamping setup like you'd see from RBM or Cootie, you might need to double your budget. Vevor's real strength? Price. For what you pay, you're getting a tent that feels surprisingly roomy, with models for 4 to 8 people and tons of headroom. Think 120 square feet or more. Setup couldn't be easier. I'm talking 10, maybe 15 minutes tops, thanks to the included high-pressure hand pump. No wrestling with poles in the dark. The 300D Oxford fabric is waterproof enough for light rain, and most users say it holds up in moderate wind. But, heads up, guy line buckles have failed in stronger gusts, so don't skip staking and reinforcing. Here's where things get dicey: durability. The floor material is kind of thin, so you'll want a solid ground tarp to avoid punctures. And if you're a hardcore camper, you might only get a couple seasons out of it before seams or zippers start to go. Now, about customer support. I've seen mixed reviews. While Vevor claims 24/7 help and a 12-month warranty, plenty of buyers report slow responses or trouble getting refunds. Also, beware of fake websites. Always buy direct from Vevor or a verified seller. Bottom line, the Vevor Inflatable tent is a budget-friendly way to get outdoors fast, especially for beginners.